Hey guys, welcome to Indulge with Dimples. Today I'm bringing you a series called Remodel, Revamp, Remakeover, and it's the RRR, triple R's. So I just want to show you some things that I'm doing with my house. I'm not into buying anything that's full price because you don't have to anymore. It's a lot of stores competing with each other, and seriously, if you find something in one store, you can take it to the next store if it's exactly the same and get it discounted even more. So I'm here to show you how you can revamp a lot of things. You can remodel, you can remake, you can rebuild, you can redo a lot of things on the low, on the cheap, on a dime, on a budget. So I'm going to be bringing this series. Talking about the series, I just want to say thank you for indulging with Dimples, which is me, and I just want to bring you some good entertainment so you can watch on any time of the day, any day of the week. So let's get straight into it. I have a house that's 50 years old. When I first bought this house, it was splashed with blue and pink bathrooms, shag blue rugs, green walls. It was a hot mess, but it had good structural bones. Like, the outside was beautiful. The inside, you're like, okay, who was living here and what was going on? But I love this house to death. I have did everything myself, like put baseboards in, I have painted, I have fixed sinks, I have did a lot. So that being said, now we're into the decorating part of the house. Half of the house is kind of decorated, the other half it's like I'm working on, the other half I have not even touched. So it's a tri-level, which you know that's a 3-level story house, and I am working on it. So right now I'm bringing y'all into my overflow room. The overflow room is basically it's half office, half creative room, half sit down speak with y'all, and anything that I buy and I haven't used it yet, I just throw it in this room nice and neatly. So I was like, I'm tired of coming past this room every morning and it's just like knick-knack sitting in here. So for the past 6 months I have been working on buying things that is discounted, cleansed. I have went to Habitat Humanity, let me say that right, and I have went to thrift stores, Goodwills, and people's houses. When I say people's houses, like my family, they're throwing stuff away. They're like, I don't know, I don't want this, because it's back in the day when I was a baby, and I'm like, that's coming bad. We just need to spray it, we need to do some things to it. So I'm going to be showing you a series of different things going on, and you're going to be like, I just saw that at my grandma's house. Take it. Don't tell grandma what you're going to use it for, but when you invite grandma over, be like, grandma, I'll see. So anywho, I have this room right now. It's pretty small, like I said. It's my creative room, and I'm tired of it looking like a hot mess. So what I went to Habitat Humanity, and I actually bought a twin size day bed. Now, it was just the rails. Certain things I won't buy, certain things I will buy, but this was metal. So I went and bought that. I actually went and bought a bed from online. So that's why we're starting this series, because if you have never ordered from Wayfair or anything online, like big purchase items, then you're kind of skeptical. And I give it to the people that order all the time. But I was like, I'm used to going to the store, sitting in the bed, jumping on the bed, and oh, I want that bed. But I was like, okay, I'm going to try this out. I'm going to try to be in a new era. So that's what I did. And I also went ahead and bought some other things from like IKEA, TJ Maxx, Home Good, Rose and Ross, a lot of places. So it's a mixed match of different stores. Nothing was purchased full price. Everything was a discount or reward points. So I really didn't come out of my pocket for too much. If I have the prices still, I will list them at the bottom of the screen. But I will just tell you right then and there if the sticker is still on there. Because 9 times out of 10, I didn't take the sticker off of anything. So we're going to get into the series, and I want you to stay tuned. If you have any creative ideas, hit me up. Now, I'm going to tell you, I'm only going to show you how I'm decorating half of the room. The other half, I haven't really got down to decorating because I need to throw away, declutter, or find some more things that I haven't got there yet. But I was so excited to open up this mattress. Now, I have never ordered from Wayfair. Never in my life any furniture, and I was just like, okay, let's just try this out. So I ordered my bed Monday night and I got it Thursday morning. So I was happy. They told me it was coming and it actually came. I didn't have any problems. They put my box on the porch in a nice secret location so no one was going to steal it. And when I got home, it said it weighed 45 pounds and your girl is strong and tough. Ooh, and I got to pull that up 3 flights of stairs. 3 flights, well, 2.5, but 3 flights of stairs. So let's get into it, and I hope you like what I'm about to show you. Alright guys, so let's get into this overdrive overhaul of used reclaimed furniture. So I actually went out to the store and I went to Habitat Humanity or Humanity Habitat. I'm not for sure which word is first or second, but this is a really good place to go get reclaimed furniture. They have paint there, they have towels, they have flooring, they have used gentle furniture as in appliances as well, cabinets. It's a lot of things. So if you're into remaking, rebuilding your own thing and refurbishing stuff, this is a good place to go. I went there. This is a metal bed, and it was actually only $35. You can tell the sticker is right there, that yellow or orange sticker. It's on the bed, and it was only $35 for this. So if you was to go in the store and get one of these, you're gonna pay about $150. Me, $35. So let's get into this overhaul of what is going on. So the inspiration came from this rug. I got it from TJ Maxx, and I thought it was beautiful. It has grays, it has blush, it has like a natural tones in there as well. And when I saw this rug, I was like, it's not too big, it's not too little, and I enjoyed that it was rectangle and it was natural. It wasn't too bold, it wasn't off the beaten path, and I loved it. So, like I told you in the beginning of the series, a lot of the stuff I get from TJ Maxx, Home Good, and everything, other stores, and I don't normally pay full price for anything. So, I have the price still on here, if you can see it. Oops, upside down. I have the price still on here, if you can see it. And the original price for this was $22. Compare price, it was $16. But I had reward points, so I only paid, I didn't pay anything because I had reward points. So this is really good if you're looking for like this kind of places. Go to TJ Maxx or Home Good. And the inspiration came from this rug. So make sure you pay attention to the colors. And I always find a base to start off with. Alright. So the next thing, all beautiful ladies, I mean anybody that have any taste in anything, we always find a throw. A throw is just pretty. So it looks like a rug, but it's a throw. And it's like a blush pink, which is in. And I feel like this is always going to be in. It has a little bit of sparkle, if you can tell. If you can't, it really has a little bit of sparkle. It's not kiddie-ish, but it's sexy and grown. It's very soft, so you can cuddle up with. And once again, I got this from TJ Maxx. I had some reward points, so I didn't pay anything for it. And the retail price or compare price was $24.99. And I actually paid $16.99, but out of pocket, $0. So that's going to be part of the series. Now, I wanted to go with them colors because they had some things going on that I like. So I actually went ahead, and yesterday I actually had to pay out of pocket some money. And I got a purple bed set. So I got this from Ross or Rose. I'm not for sure what store I went to, but Ross or Rose. This set was only $10, and in the set you have a twin flat sheet, a twin fitted sheet, and one pillowcase. And I love pillows, so I went ahead and bought another one, which is only $5, and you get 2 pillowcases in here. And it's purple, because I didn't want matchy-matchy on top of matchy-matchy. Now, I'm going to get to where I found stuff at in my home, and I was going to reuse and refurbish. I got this when I was a kid. My grandparents had bought this for me. I think my grandma, because I always would get stuff like this from her. So my grandma had bought me this bed set. And it has 2 pillows, and it has a way down, heavy way down blanket. And it does have 2 pillows. Oh, let me show you. It's 2 big fluffy pillows. So I just went to like Walmart, got them 2 cheap pillows they have, like $2.50, and I stuffed them 2 times to make it this full. So you don't have to go out and buy like expensive pillows. Just get like the 2 cheap pillows and stuff them in there to make them full, because they're not going to really be laying on that. And I felt like this was a pretty purple to go with the bed. So it's not a twin. I think this is a full, but it's going to work the way we're going to fold it, and you're going to like it. And it also has reversible, so you can pull that down to show a little color. Next but not least, you know, we always have to have like a little nice candle situation. And I got this candle from Bath and Body Works. If you know, you know. So we got that there. Last but not least, my second favorite store is A-True Furniture. And I got this like 5 years ago when I first moved in my house. And I was like, I gotta have this. I didn't know what I was, let me put that on the side. I was like, I gotta have this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, where I'm gonna hang it up. It's actually a chandelier. And I know y'all like, who puts a chandelier in their bedroom? I will. So, I'm going to tell you the backstory of this chandelier. It's bohemian and goes with the rug. I love it. Look how it looks. It's fantastic. It's beautiful. We're going to hang this up, but I actually don't even know if I have all the tools for this. I don't even know if they gave me the hanging part. So, this probably be series 2 because I forgot to go to the hardware store and get the piece to hang up on the wall, but I will do this for you. Now let me tell you the original price. Let me show you what the original price was. And then I'm going to tell you what I actually paid. So I go to A-True Furniture, and majority, I want to say 85% of my furniture, big bulk items, tables, couches, is from there. That's something that I will not buy from reclaimed stores, is couches or anything like that. I'm just funny acting. Okay, I'm funny. So when I went there, they have a place. If you go to any furniture store, go to the clearance or the blackout area. It's always in the bag. They really don't want to show you it because if you go back there, you can mismatch some stuff, and all you gotta do is go buy some covers and put them on there. If you into that, if you're a starter, me, I see what I want. I'm gonna save for it. I'm gonna cash them out. Okay, I cash out. So I went back there, and I don't know why I was back there. I think I was back there for some other stuff. Listen, guys, this originally cost $189.99. Who paying for that for one lamp? I'm not. Then it broke it down to $109.99. Who's still paying for that? I don't know. Wasn't me. Then it broke it down to $71.77. Who paying for that? I know it's not gonna be me. Then they broke it down to $57. Who is paying for that? Not me. I actually paid $40 for this, okay? Because once again, I love to shop at A-True Furniture. I had some reward points, and bam, this is part of my reward points. I got this, and I didn't have to spend any out-of-pocket money. So, okay, you gotta work with what you got. Don't be out here buying full price nothing. So let me back up and show you. This is beautiful. I don't think we're gonna be able to hang it because I actually forgot to get this stuff for it. So don't kill me. Don't kill me. Last but not least, what we actually came here for, what made me even bring this to our attention, is Wayfair. Okay, this is not sponsored. I will keep saying that to you because it's not sponsored. Okay, so this is Wayfair. I'm gonna try to move this back as possible as I can. Okay, give me a moment, y'all. Alright, so I actually ordered this box. I put my order in Monday, and then it came Thursday, and I was just as shocked as you were about getting this box. It actually doesn't have too many dings and dents. Nobody took my stuff off my porch. I live in a nice area. It's older folks around here, and they have your back. So it's probably like 10% young people. The rest of them are old. They always outside being nosy. So I love living in this neighborhood. So anyway, Wayfair, I ordered this. I only paid $160 for this. Shipping was free because they have free shipping. It's supposed to be a 10-inch firm foam bed, a mattress, and we're just going to check it out. So make sure you're careful when you open it up, and from here on out I'm going to stop talking and put this bed together and show you what it's working with. Comes with some instructions in the box. This is how to. So let's open this up first. Warning, do not use a utility knife, okay? That's how I use scissors. How to unpack. So how to unpack your mattress. So we slid it out the box. It says do not use utility. Carefully cut away plastic cover. Roll it out. Okay. Oh, this is a 48-hour process, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay. So everything is dummy proof for the ones that just don't like to read. Yeah, men and women. And the ones that just, we have different learning styles. So they have picture forms to show you. Clearly this is simple and easy, and I'm gonna throw them away and let's get to it. Zip line, so I guess you can take this off to wash it if you want to, but it actually has a zip line. You can tell the back from the front or the bottom from the top, so you know this is the bottom part because how it looks. And then we're just gonna flip it over. And this is the top because it doesn't have like that cream look to it. We're going to take the rest of this plastic off as they instructed in the instructions, and then we're going to let it sit for 48 hours. Because you know the twin extra large is just the longer, but so far it doesn't have a smell. And let me just see if I can get y'all a better angle. So far it doesn't have a smell. I don't see any mold or spots on here. I think you can actually take this off and wash it because look, it's flexible, so that's really cool. You don't have to buy a bed protector. And you need to let this sit for 48 hours. So in 48 hours I will come back and show you. We can do a comparison of how thick the mattress is right now, and then we can sit on it, and you can tell it's like really firm right here, and it's not that firm up here. So I don't want to sit on it and then, you know, it messes up. That's a lot of work. You might want to have 2 people for this because it says 48 pounds when it's compressed, but when it starts coming out and inflating, this thing is a little bit heavier. So 48 hours I'll come back and show you what's going on with this bed.